Hey, what's going on, guys? Ben Simon here, and today I'm bringing you another rebuilding video. And today I'm rebuilding my favorite team, the Atlanta Falcons. So the Falcons, of course, have a amazing offense, and defensively not good. So I'm just gonna jump right into trading, and I will show you what I do. Yeah. So with my first trade, I'm going to be trading Tom Complin, Chris Chester, and Robert Alford for Rashad Jones. Boom. And with my third trade, I'm going to be trading Kimmel Ishmael, Ricardo Allen, and my third round pick for Navarro Bowman. Bang bang. And with my fourth trade, I'm going to be trading Brooks Reed, Philip Wheeler, and Jalen Collins for Tyler Eifert. And with my fifth trade, I'm going to be trading Jacob Tamme straight up for Ryan Shazier. With my fifth trade, I'm going to be trading Jonathan Babinox and my first round pick this year for the 49ers' first pick this year because their best player is an 82 overall, Joe Stanley, so I don't think they're going to do too well. And there we go. With my sixth trade, I'm going to be trading Adrian Claiborne straight up for Jeremy Zuta. And with my seventh trade, I'm going to be trading my fifth round pick for Shaquille Barrett. And I mean, it's usually really hard to get him, but luckily I only had to give up my fifth round pick. Yeah. And with my last trade, I'm going to be trading my second, fourth, and sixth round pick for Cameron Wake. Oh yeah. And so after all my trading, this is what the lineup looks like. Kept the wide receiver, running back and quarterback the same. Picked up Tyler Eifert, got him, and then defense basically changed pretty much everything. Only 5 people I kept were Keanu Neal, Deion Jones, Vic Beasley, Grady Jarrett, and Desmond Trufant. And so let's just simulate to midseason. Okay, so at the midseason mark, we're 3-5. Don't know why. So I have a backup running back, so if my starter gets injured, he comes in. But, you know, both injured, yay. Tyler Eifert's injured, defense. My backup's injured. Ryan Shazier's injured. My backup for Ryan Shazier's injured. Looks like a lot of injured people. Oh, Al Ogletree is also injured. Yay! It looks like Parwolo is also playing. No linebacker too. Never knew you could play 2 positions at once. Yay. So let's just advance to the playoffs. And we did not make the playoffs. Wow. So they were still injured. He was still injured. Let's see how we did. How did the Buccaneers win the division? I don't get Madden sometimes. Let's look at our schedule. Okay. That's a great way to start the season. 0-5. Then we won 3 games, then we lost some more. Then we won some more. So, okay. Yeah, that's great. Wait. Let's see how 49ers did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How did it go? How did it go? 6, 9, and 1 with that bad of. I don't get this. So let's look at the stats. 8th offensive, and then defensive. 11th. Let's look at the awards. Not even. Oh, yeah, we are. Yeah. We went 7 and. Hey, look, Patriots went 9 and 7. It's realistic. Coach the year. I wasn't on there. It's sad. So let's see. Of course, were we on there? Yeah, we're number 6 for offensive player of the year. Defensive. Nobody. Rookie. Nobody. Hey, Austin Hooper came 10th. Just so. Come on. Come. 3rd. Anybody else? Nope. Best quarterback came 4th. Best running back, I don't think we're gonna be on here. We aren't. Wide receiver, Julio Jones, number 5. And best O-line, 1 person. Best D-line, nobody. Linebacker, nobody. DB, nobody. And Matt Bryant came 2nd. Closest we got to an award. So let's sign some players. So it looks like we have to resign 1, 2, 3, 4 people, so hopefully we have money, and we do. We'll make sure he doesn't just run away. And he runs away. It's great. He's not going to the Bills. Pretty sure he ran off last time. But he won't this time. I like Taylor Gabriel. And that's why he's coming back. Okay, so let's actually. I think I'm gonna franchise tag him because we know what the Dolphins and the Redskins do to DJ Swarringer, so I don't want to see what they do to him, so I'm just gonna franchise tag him, and let's see who's on the agent market. Cause see, look at that, look at that. I would have to beat that. I don't want to do that. I think we're gonna see if he wants to come, and there we go. Anybody else? If somebody gets hurt, we'll get you. Let's go. Cordero Patterson. Oh yeah, listen. Okay. Hopefully our 2 guys come back, and they do.
Are now available in scouting. Check it out.
So our team looks better thanks to that. And I think I might go out and draft. Oh. I think I'm gonna go out and sign. Alright, draft a linebackers better than Al Ogletree. And maybe he'd be the backup if somebody feels like being injured. So yeah.
Texans have just made Dorsey their newest player.
There are some experts who are ready to dismiss his high production in college since he never faced a
Okay,
top-tier
let's
defensive
see.
back. So finally, at the All-Star
Oh
game,
my gosh,
he was matched
still
up against
here.
one of the top defenders in the draft.
Should I draft
He
him?
came away
I
looking
should
very
draft
good.
him.
He was tightly covered all day, but that didn't stop him from hauling in several impressive catches. He solidified his position in the draft with that game.
Okay,
And now that he's been
pretty
drafted,
solid,
his new
but
quarterback has to be excited to
development isn't the best. Okay, so I'm gonna go out, do some trading, maybe get better wide receiver, maybe get a good defensive player, something like that, and let's go. So with my first trade, I'm going to be trading Cameron Wake and my first round pick for Terrell Pryor and Christian Kirksey. Boom. And with my second trade, I'm going to be trading my third round pick, my second round pick, and Morris Claiborne that got in free agency for Luke Kuechly. Boom. So after trading for my second season, this is the squad. Looks really, really good. So if we don't make the playoffs on this, there's something wrong with this game. So let's just go over to the mid-season mark and see how we are doing. Okay, so let's see. Oh, let's go over here. 6-2. That is way better than 3-5. So, got a big injury decision. Let's see. Cordell Patterson is out. Must be him. Actually, like, no, it's not him. I think Madden's gonna do is after Rashad Jones gets injured, they're just gonna put Keanu Neal as the backup. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put Keanu Neal over here. So once he gets uninjured, he's just gonna come up here and start again. But besides that, looks pretty good. I'm gonna spend some XP. But it looks like Julio and Cordell Patterson is out. So that's up. And no, he's not. Okay, let me just do some XPing. I see a big jump anywhere. Keanu Neal went up by 3 though. So let's simulate to the playoffs and hope we don't choke it. Here.
Game plan.
So we went 12-4. That is good. Let's see. Devontae Freeman has some good XP defensively. Rookie doesn't look like he did too well. And Julio's still out, but for only 1 more game, so that's good. Okay. Let's see. Team schedule. Let's see how we did. Soft 3-0, took L, took a dub, took an L, took some more dubs, took 2 L's in a row, then we finished it off strong. So I like to see. So let's go and see our stats. 3rd offensive, like that. It gotta be top 5. 5th defensive. Yearly awards, let's see it. Aaron Rodgers with the 9-7 Packers. They are he won the MVP of it. So Matt Ryan's number 5, Coach of the Year. I am number 6. NFC. Number 4 and 5 is our quarterback and running back. Defensive Player of the Year, Luke Kuechly. I like that. Defensive Rookie of the Year. We didn't draft one. Defensive. Guy came in 3rd tier. Best quarterback came in 4th. And I don't know how, but Drew Brees kind of did better than that, Ryan. Not possible, because he plays on the worst team ever. Saints are horrible. Running back, Devontae Freeman, I like that. Wide receiver, nobody. Probably because Julio is injured. And then defensive line, Alex Mack, 2nd. And Ryan Schrader and Andy Levitre. And Vic Beasley came in at number 10, and let me guess, Luke Kuechly. What? Best DB, Desmond Trufant, number 2 to Barry Church. Kicker, our 71 overall guy came in 2nd. So let's do some XPing, then I will show you guys the team. This is what it looks like. Basically all that changed is their confidence, but not the defense. They don't need confidence to be good. Yeah. Totally. Okay, let's see how we do in this game. But we're 91 overall, so they're 87. So yeah.
And that's where we're located here in downtown Atlanta. Coming up, it's the final game of Wild Card Weekend, and we've got a good
I don't know why I did that. I spell it. Oh, no, man.
And the Atlanta Falcons.
Okay, so here we go. Looks like a punt fest for quarter 1. Let's see, quarter 2. We got on the board. We got on the board again. We got on the board again. I like that. And we got on the board again. And let's see if we can stall them for the whole game. No, we can't. But that's another touchdown. And that is game. Final score, 35-7. Look at that. Zoop. Zoop.
Week by installing your game plan.
So let's see who we're going against next week. We're going against the Bears. But Julio's back, so they're gonna automatically lose, because Julio doesn't lose. He just doesn't lose. Not possible. If we lose this, 91-83. Wow. Next quarter, score a touchdown, and then let's go to the next quarter. We score another touchdown, and then they score a field goal, then we score another touchdown, and that's halftime. Then let's go to the end of the game. So they score a touchdown. Oh no, field goal. Score a field goal, they score a touchdown. We score a touchdown. They score a touchdown, and that's game. Going to the NFC Championship. And
Your week by installing your game plan.
let's see who we're going against in the NFC
Kick off your
Championship.
week by installing your game plan.
The Redskins. Yay. It's gonna be a breeze. It's gonna be easier to defeat than Drew Brees. Cause it's a breeze. Sneeze. So it looks like we're going to play Chiefs in the Super Bowl if we win. I saw that on the bottom. So let's go to the end of the quarter. They score field goal, we score a touchdown. So let's see. Next quarter, we do nothing. We score a touchdown actually, that's something. And we score another touchdown right before halftime. And we scored another touchdown, and then they scored a field goal. And can't comment no 28-3 jokes. It's 20-6. So get out of here. Score another field goal. They score a field goal though. So you know what we do?
Charles,
Go to the Super Bowl.
Kick off your week by installing your game plan.
Who are we going against in the Superb Owl?
Kick off your week by installing your game plan.
Oh wait, I already knew that though. Okay, we're going against the Kansas City Chiefs. So hopefully we win. I mean, look at our offense. I mean, look at our defense, okay? Look, we only have one C+. The rest is A's and B's. This should be easy. Should be easy. I mean, who they got? Oh, I have Alex Smith. Yeah. Automatic win. Okay, let's jump forward to the next quarter. Speed fast. Let's see. Looks like they scored a touchdown right before the quarter ended. Let's go to the next quarter. They score a touchdown. We score a touchdown though. And we score a field goal. And we score a touchdown right before halftime ends. Let's go to the next quarter. We scored a touchdown. They scored a touchdown. We scored a touchdown. And it's looking good. I think I'm about to see something I didn't see in February. And that will be a Atlanta Falcon Super Bowl win! Yeah! 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 I won the Super Bowl! I won the Super Bowl. Yeah!
That's pretty phenomenal right there. It actually gave me chills just to hear you say that, because immortality forever and ever. When you look in the record books,
yeah!
of this team, you'll see their picture. Your name will be a part of it. That's got to be an incredible feeling, because it's been a long journey to get there, and now they get a chance to enjoy it.
And they are the
Deion Jones,
Lombardi Trophy is there,
one interception, one touchdown, Super Bowl MVP. He came into the league as a linebacker, but he switched to cornerback to help the Atlanta Falcons, and thanks to that, they got a Super Bowl win. Woo! Ciao. So I hope you enjoyed this Madden franchise video, because I know I did. Almost feels as good as what I was about to be doing in February. But so I think you can take my coach's name and just put a big black rectangle over it, because we won the Super Bowl. So hope you guys enjoyed, like, subscribe, all that, and goodbye.